Hi folks, I have here a Labgear S701 Satellite Finder, and they are quite expensive to buy, but I thought I'd get one in because there's a couple of dishes that I have in the local uh, family circle that are not really tuned in that well or have a weak signal. So why not get something that's going to be half decent? So basically, I'm learning to use this, but I'm still not au fait with it, and I'm trying to understand the workings of the actual dish. So I have a test dish, which I'll show you, set up, and I'm playing with that as a practice dish. So we'll go out here. So there's my test dish. You can see it there. I think the sun is... So there's my test dish, and it's just on a tripod there. And of course, what I've done is I've looked at all the other dishes in the local area and just pointed the dish roughly in the same direction. So with a bit of playing around with the dish and trying to find the signal strength, when you go into the satellite option, and of course it's Sky TV, it's on the Astra satellite there, so I'm selecting the Astra satellite there. Now at the moment the signal is pretty bad, there's no signal there at all, and it means we're going to have to play around with the signal. So let me do that for a minute and then I'll get back to you and show you what happens. Oh, there's the signal now, it just takes a minute. Okay, so there's the signal there. The green is the actual signal, so that means we're about 64%. But when I plug that into the TV, it's actually a lot stronger. Okay, so all I did was move the dish up and down and sideways, trying to find the sweet spot for the signal. But on this Labgear box, there is a way. If I go back to menu and you go to spectrum analyzer and you say OK, and you select the top one and you select the Astra, it does show you the frequency range that you're covering. Now, I'm not very familiar with the spectrum analyzer and how I can tune in, how I can see the best signal and then move the dish to it. Apparently that's what you can do, but I am still kind of not au fait with the idea of the spectrum analyzer. So if anybody knows how to use this and what I need to do, obviously comment below and let me know. But having played around with the dish and moved it up and down, the good news is that I actually found the TV stations. So if we do, I think it's, let's go back here, go back to other. So there's the TV stations there, and you can go down the list of TV stations. So BBC News. So just by poor chance, playing around with the actual Labgear box and trying to align the actual satellite dish and watching the signal on the box, I kind of got a rough idea where it was, and I was lucky. Now I'll show you the signal on the TV, because although on the let me just go back here. Although the signal on this Labgear box is saying about 62, 63%, give or take, it actually works out a lot higher on the TV. So I'll show you the signal on the TV and you'll get an idea of how strong it is, which is pretty good. Let me just see if this comes back up now. I'll just take a second to register the signal. I did search the internet looking for a tutorial for this Labgear box, the Labgear S701, but I could not find any tutorial, so this is just me winging it at the moment. And there you go, this signal 65%. So I'm going to show you the signal on the TV and you'll see how strong it is. So just give me a minute there to actually set it all up. Now that's the TV signal, that sky box showing the signal. Look how strong that signal is. That is brilliant. I mean, to get it up that high is fantastic. So even though the Lab S701, the Labgear box said about 62, 63%, it's actually nearly full of the box with the signal strength. That is very good. So I'm really impressed with that. But as I said, I'm just learning the Labgear S701. I've only literally got it in yesterday and I'm just playing around with it. So if anybody knows how to use the S701 and can give me a few tips on it, that would be fantastic. But for now, it seems to work and we got a good signal on it. So the proof of the pudding is actually going to the family members' satellite dishes and plugging it in and then improving the signal that they're receiving. So that's going to be the next test to see how we get on. Cheers.